Sat Shri Akal ji. So this video is about Sheridan at CCTT. Okay, campus is at Fort Erie, Ontario, and this college is open for September 24 intake, and some seats are also available for May 24 intake also. And if you're following our Instagram account, so you might have already seen the post about it. But anyways, we are sharing the similar information that we posted on our Instagram in this video. So if you're not following our Instagram account, don't forget to follow that. The link is mentioned in the description below. And all the details which I am going to share in this video will be also mentioned in the description below, in case you didn't understand if you had any kind of difficulty understanding me. So the main highlights which also has been mentioned in the post on our Instagram are like it's 20 minutes away from Niagara Falls and 1 hour away from Toronto. Mainly some students have location issue, so you can if you have someone already any accommodation in Toronto, you can definitely help that. And low cost of living as compared to Toronto, and the range of programs, skill trade, business and technology also available. And one thing I really wanted to highlight, I'll most probably make a specific video on this, that even for the housing issues we are facing in Canada, almost every good college, every public college in the background is working to solve that. They're acquiring buildings, they're trying to sort this housing issue so that the future students don't face the similar problems that some students has faced in the past. Okay, so the programs for diploma and for undergraduate and postgraduate both are available. IELTS requirement for undergraduate is 6 overall, not less than 5.5. For postgraduate it's 6.5 overall, not less than 6. PT 58, not less than 49 for undergraduate, and 60, not less than 57 for postgraduate. And TOEFL 80 for undergraduate, and TOEFL 88 for postgraduate, and Duolingo 105 and Duolingo 115 for postgraduate. Duolingo is not recommended if you're applying for the first time, but yes, for students who are already in Canada and looking for an upgrade course or an extension, then yes, you can use Duolingo for the offer and admissions also. And programs which are being offered are mechanical technician and CNC precision machining for undergraduate for non-medical students, and welding fabrication technician for this is also for non-medical students or some students who have done ITI. There is, if you are following the Canadian news and if you are following the employments in demand, then trade programs are in demand and will be in demand in the future in Canada also. And then comes office administration executive for commerce students, chemical lab technician for medical students, plumbing technician and computer engineering technician for non-medical students. All those programs are in demand, will be in demand for the 24 to 25, and to not just that, for some years also. And then comes the graduate programs. Then there is international business management with co-op for commerce background students. वैसे all other background students can also opt for this. International business management program or global business management programs are few programs that students from multiple backgrounds, from engineering to business, can opt for this one. But mainly it is recommended for management students or candidates basically having experience in management. Okay, then comes project management. Similar scenario for engineering to business, all students can opt for this one, but we mostly recommend for engineering students or civil technician students. It is a good program, or BCA students. And then comes business analysis, process management. This is specific for management students who have done graduation in management. And then comes human resource management with co-op. I think except the project management, every other program has co-op. And human resource management, any student who has experience in HR or has done graduation with psychology can opt for this program. And then comes marketing management. So any management pass out student or any candidate who after graduation has some genuine experience in marketing can offer this program. And the academic requirement for UG is undergraduate and postgraduate both is 60%, and for undergraduate math in 12th is required. So these are the basic requirement for the college, and if you are interested to apply in this college, drop us a mail. Our email ID is mentioned in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, informative somehow, okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting. Bye bye.